feeling that I have to stay. Just need some place where I can let my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where am I find a bed? It's just me and the shock of my head. No was all he say. Take your load of honey, take your load of please, take your load of honey. And yeah, you bet the law right of me. Beat down my back when looking for a place to hide. When I saw coming and rode into Nazareth, was feeling that I have to stay. Just need some place where I can let my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where am I find a bed? It's just me and the shock of my head. No was all he say. Take your load of honey, take your load of please, take your load of honey.
Rode into Nazareth, feeling about half past dead. I just need to find a place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? Just grinned, shook my hand, no was all he said. Take a load off planet, take a load for free, take a load off planet. Load right on me.
Picked up my bag, I went looking for a place to hide. When I saw him coming and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I gotta go, but my friend can't stick around.
Take a load off planet.
Lying in my bed, I hear the clock ticking. Think of you, caught up in circles. Confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost left behind. Suitcase of memories, time after summertime. 1, 2, 3. She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was as fresh as the bright blue skies.
legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. One, two, three, four. When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. One, two, three. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain and we all have sorrow, but if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me when you're not strong, and I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Lean on me
see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and for you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, bright blessed day, and dark sacred night. And I think to myself,